Hello, Parnassians. It's me again, Magister Beck, and this is week 26, so edition 26 for Minute to Win It. So for this week, well, let's go back to last week, week 25. I had you guys measure out 30 feet to kind of simulate what a shuttle run would be for like our presidential fitness testing we do at school at Parnassus, and you guys had to go down and back would be one to see how many times you could do it in a minute. I want you to do the same thing this week, except instead of running down and back forward, I want you to run down and back backwards. I've been doing lots of research and going down a YouTube rabbit hole with this one guy on how to become faster, jump higher, and protect your knees so you don't have knee injuries down the road when you're 50, 60, 70, 80 years old. So I've been watching a lot of his YouTube videos and it's very interesting, and he really is a firm believer of deacceleration, training the deacceleration instead of acceleration. So he does lots of training backwards. And with all that stuff and then other stuff he does, he has seen people become faster sprinters and be able to increase their vertical jump. So I thought it'd be kind of cool if we did the same thing we did for week 25, the shuttle run, where you go 30 feet down and then back would be one. So we can do that running backwards. It's going to be a lot tougher. You guys are going to have to be careful so you don't trip or fall. You know where you're going, but it's just a straight line down and back. And set those kitchen timers, stopwatch timers for 60 seconds and see how many times or laps you can go down and back is one. See how many you can do in 60 seconds. Hope you guys have fun with it. And until next time, scholars, have a good one.